Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the multiple choice questions for C language test 1. So very first question we have here, that is, enumeration is a process of declaring a set of integers and sorting a list of strings and assigning a legal values possible for a variable, and fourth one, sequencing a list of operators. సో మరి ఈ ఇన్ ఎన్యుమరేషన్ అంటే ఏమిటి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ వి హ్యావ్ డిక్లేరింగ్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్, సెకండ్ వన్ సార్టింగ్ a list of strings, third one assigning a legal values possible for a variable, and fourth one sequencing a list of operators. సో ఇక్కడ ఎన్యూమరేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి మరి? సో ఎన్యూమరేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే జనరల్గా ఎన్యూమరేషన్ ఈజ్ ఏ యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ డేటా టైప్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ data type, and so the main purpose of this enum is assign names to integer constants, assign names to integer constants, and the names makes a program easy to read and maintain. సో ఇక్కడ మనం enum ఎందుకు వాడతామంటే మనం కొన్ని వేరియబుల్స్కి నేమ్స్ అసైన్ చేస్తాము, నెంబర్స్ అసైన్ చేస్తాము. చూద్దాం, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాము. సో ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూస్తే సింటాక్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే enum some variable name, suppose let us take week bracket lo. So I want to write Sunday is equal Sunday, Monday. So I took only two variables, Sunday and Monday. If I print value of Sunday, so that is %d comma Sunday. So here the output will comes 0. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే enum week, that is variable name. Suppose I want to declare enum name as week, and we have two variables, one is Sunday and the second one is Monday. So here if you print the value of Sunday, then it will print 0. If you print the value of Monday, then it will print 1. So like that, if you take another example, enum, let us take as month. Enum enumerator name is month. Suppose let us assume January, February, March, April. So if you want to print the value of April, suppose let us assume printf %d comma April. So here by default it will starts with 0. January is 0, February is 1, March is 2, April is 3. So the answer could be here April is 3. So this is a first example, this is a second example. Let me take one more example, final example for enum. So enum, let me assume the variable name as enum name as xyz, a b c d is equal to 9 and e. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే if you want to print the value of a is 0, b is 1, c is 2, d is 3, d is 9 and e is 10. సో ఇక్కడ ఇది లాజిక్. జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే స్టార్టింగ్ వచ్చేసి 0తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, తర్వాత +1 అవుతుంది, 0తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, +1 +2 +1 +1. Suppose if you assign any value in between variable, okay, again next value will be incremented by 1. For clarity, final example we will see enum. Suppose let us assume here enum name as abc. So the variables are x, y, z is equal to 5 comma b. So if you want to print the value x 0, y is 1, z is 5 and B is 6. So initial గా 0, 1, 2 కాకపోతే Z అనేది 5 డిక్లేర్ చేశారు కాబట్టి 5 అనేది వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. తర్వాత Z తర్వాత B ఉంది. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ఇంక్రిమెంటెడ్ బై 1 అగైన్. దిస్ వాల్యూ ఈస్ 6. సో ఇక్కడ ఎన్యూమరేషన్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ డిక్లేరింగ్ ఎ సెట్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్, సార్టింగ్ ఎ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్స్, assigning legal values possible for a variable, and sequencing a list of operators. So the correct answer could be this value. So ikkada correct answer endamma, assigning a legal values to possible variable. I hope this is clear for everyone. Let me go to second question. So what is second question? What is the default parameter passing mechanism is? So default parameter mechanism is called as ఏమేమంటున్నాడు? కాల్ బై రిఫరెన్స్, కాల్ బై అడ్రస్, కాల్ బై వాల్యూ, నేమ్. సో మనకి ఫంక్షన్ పాసింగ్లో 2 ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ కాల్ బై వాల్యూ, సెకండ్ వన్ కాల్ బై రిఫరెన్స్. సో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, ఫస్ట్ వన్ కాల్ బై వాల్యూ, సెకండ్ వన్ కాల్ బై reference. In call by value, we'll take values as a we'll take variables. Suppose if you want to swap two numbers, swap of a comma b, this is called as call by value. Suppose in some time we declared int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. So this is called as call by value. Suppose if you take swap of address of a, address of b, so this is called as call by reference. So here the call by values are ab, call by references are address of a, address of b. So minimum default ఏది ఉంటుందంటే call by value. So here the answer could be call by value. So the default parameter passing mechanism is called as a call by value. Now let us move on to next question. So what is the output of following? What is the output of following? So akkada em icharu manaki, what they mentioned, the following program into main. So we have next in the above, below. So we have the following program main. Okay, 3 times they called increment, 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 and again increment ane gurinchi rasaru. Yeah. So how this program will work? First line we have main. What is main? The execution of the program starts from the main. So first time they are calling increment function. Okay, increment function is here. So compiler, after completion of here, compiler comes here, this page increment, and static int x. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, static int x. So static int x, no value will be declared to x. So x ki వాళ్ళు ఏ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు. When they mentioned static, the x value is 0. So remember, the x value is here, the x value is 0. Now they are incremented by 1 plus x. So plus x means plus 0. This is equal to 1, incremented by 1. Now, so first time it will print the value as 1. So this is finished till now. After completion of this one, again compiler calls second function increment. Again compiler comes here and it comes to this part. Again static int x and printf percentage plus x. Remember, so when they say plus x, so here the purpose of this static int x is the previous value is 1. So last value of this x is 1. Now it is incremented by 1. That is 2. Important point. So third time, after completion of second time, again it goes to third time. Again static int x. What is the last value of x? That is 2. Again it will be incremented by 1. That is 3. So the final value is prints 1, 2, 3. First time it calls in increment, then it static int x a plus x. So 0 will be 1. Second time it will call increment, again static int x, but the previous value of x is 1, incremented by 1 now. Increment, again it will be incremented by 1. This is a 3. This is, I hope this is clear for everyone. This is called as a program 3. Now let us move on to next question. So what is the next question? Compiler generates dash file. So compiler ఏ ఫైల్ జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది అని అడుగుతున్నారు. ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ ఫైల్, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఫైల్, అసెంబ్లీ కోడ్, నన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబోవ్. సో కంపైలర్ generates which file? Compiler generates which file? That is executable code or object code or assembly code or none of the above. So what is the answer from the following question? So here if you see, the correct answer is, so we have two types of mechanisms to convert source code into machine code. First one is called as compiler, second one is called as a interpreter. So ఇక్కడ మనకి two types of mechanisms ఉంటాయి. First one compiler, second one interpreter. So ఇక్కడ what is meant by compiler? Compiler converts interpreter. Okay, compiler converts whole source code at a time. Okay, and interpreter, it is a line by line execution. Suppose if the program is having 10 lines of code, if the program is having 10 lines of code and all 10 lines will be executed at a time by compiler. అంటే ఒక 10 ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ 10 లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, ఈ 10 లైన్స్ అన్నిటిని ఒకటేసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తుంది. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ హ్యావింగ్ 5 errors, it shows 5 errors at a time, whereas interpreter 10 lines. Suppose let us assume this is also having 5 errors. So first time it will execute line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Suppose if the error is having 5 lines, then we have to interpret 5 times. Remember, compiler is better than interpreter. So this is called as a compiler and interpreter. So ikkada compiler generates which file now? Compiler generates which file? That is either executable code or object code or assembly code and none of the above. So ikkada manaki what is in my assembly code nothing but it is a assembly code. Assembly language will be converted into machine code in assembly level language. So compiler generates, here we have executable code. Remember, important point, compiler generates the executable code. So this is the answer for this one. Compiler generates the executable code. Next question we have, what is the output of following? What is the output of following? So int main is there, then we have constant int a equal to 10, printf %d ++ a. So we have using here constant operator. So this is called as a constant keyword. So this is called as constant keyword. Int a is equal to 10. Remember, when I say constant int a is equal to 10, the meaning of this statement is the value of a is constant. So you could not change. So I am saying that the value of a is 10. So plus plus a. So what is the meaning of plus plus a? This is equal to a plus 1. So 10 will be incremented by 1, 10 plus 1. But the thing is that I am saying constant into a is equal to 10. అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే a value is always 10. You could not increment. So here the answer is compilation error, because constant a is equal to 10, always constant. If you change, it could not be accepted. Hence, it is going to give compilation error. So ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. We'll move on to next question. So here this answer is prints 1 2 3. It is executable code. Then we have compilation error. Yeah, move on to next one. This which operator is the highest precedence? So unary. Then we have shift operators and equality operators. Postfix. Unary operators means single operators. Plus is called as unary operator. Suppose, sorry, plus plus a is called as a unary operator. And shifting, this is a left shift, right shift operators, and equality, equal, and postfix. So this is called as a postfix p plus plus. This is called as, remember, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, విచ్ ఆపరేటర్ ఇస్ హైయెస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెన్స్? పోస్ట్ ఫిక్స్. ప్రెసిడెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? సపోజ్ మనకి ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ సి, 5 ప్లస్ 6 ఇంటూ 7. సో వీ హ్యావ్ 2 ఆపరేటర్స్. ఇక్కడ మనకు 2 ఆపరేటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకటి ప్లస్, రెండవది ఇంటూ. సో ప్లస్ ఇంటూలో ఇంటూకి హైయెస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎవాల్యుయేట్ ఫస్ట్ దిస్ వన్. 4 into 7, 42. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 47. This is equal to 52. So like this is called as a highest precedence method. Then the answer could be here postfix. Next one, what is the value of nibble? గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, nibble value is 4 bits. Very very important question this one. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits and 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. Next we move on to next question. Yeah, what is the output of the following question? Okay, so they mentioned a equal to 2, b equal to, sorry, a equal to 4, b equal to 2. A equal to 4, b equal to 2. So we are performing OR operation. So what is meant by OR? This is called as a OR operation. So 4, we have to convert 4 into binary, 2 into binary. How to convert 4 into binary? 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So 100 is called as 4. 2, what is 2? This is 210. This is 10. So when I have OR, remember, OR nothing but when both are false, the result is false. In other cases, result is true. So A or B. When both are false, the result is false. When both are false, remember, false is equal to 0, true is equal to 1. Okay. But when both are false, the result is false. When both are false, the result is false. And here, false, true. Answer is true. So here nothing is there. I can say 0. True, false, that is also true. So the answer is 110. So here the answer is 110. 4 ని బైనరీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసాము. దట్ ఈస్ 110. 2 2 జ 0 210. సారీ 100. ఓకే 2 అంటే ఏంటి? 2 is nothing but this is 10. So 0 0 0, all other cases 1. So the answer is here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. This is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So the answer could be 6 here we have. So the answer is here 6. Next important question. Which of the following is called as a exit control loop? Do while is called as exit control loop. While is called as entry control loop. Do while is called as exit control loop. Then what is the entry control loop? While is called as a entry control loop. So here the correct answer is we have, that is do while. Next question. Which of the data structure is used to handle recursion in C? So here we use a stack. Stack nothing but it is a last in first out. Queue nothing but it is a first in first out. And next we have linked list. List of elements will be linked with the pointer. So which data structure is used to handle recursion? Recursion handle cheyadaniki manamu stack ni vaadtamu. We'll move on to next question. Next one. Smallest individual part of C program is called as. So smallest individual part of C program is called as a token. Remember. So there are different types of tokens in C language. First one is called as keywords. Keywords, identifiers, operators, strings, constants. So these are called as a tokens. Tokens, what token ante enti? Smallest individual part of C program is called as token. So tokens are nothing but it is a smallest individual part of C program. So that is a keyword, operators, identifiers, strings, and constants. This is called as token. Smallest individual part of C program is called as a token. Next question. What is hash include stdio.h? So this is called as a preprocessor directive. This is called as a preprocessor directive. Next, what is the output of following statement? So ikkada printf %d a plus plus the value of the current value of a. Then what is the output of this statement? %d a plus plus. So the current value of a, error message. What is the output of this statement? %d a plus plus. So is here the answer is the value of this one is a plus 1. So here the answer is a plus 1. What is the output of the statement? Printf %d a plus plus. So %d a plus plus అన్నప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది? So a plus plus nothing but here the value of a is a plus 1. So we can say here the answer is this one. ఈచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్ షుడ్ ఎండ్ విత్ సెమీకోలన్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్కి కూడా సెమీకోలన్ తోటి ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, collection of elements with a similar data type is called as a array. So remember, collection of elements with a similar data type is called as a array. What is structure? Structure nothing but it is a collection of elements with different data types. What is pointer? Pointer ante enti mari? Pointer is a variable which is used to store address of another variable. సో పాయింటర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే అడ్రస్ని స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. అర్రే అంటేనేమో సిమిలర్ డేటా టైప్ తీసుకుంటుంది. స్ట్రక్చర్ అంటేనేమో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ డేటా టైప్స్ తీసుకోవడము జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, సో విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అ రిలేషనల్ ఆర్ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్? విచ్ ఈజ్ not a relational and not a relational or logical operator. So this is called as logical and this is called as a less than. This is also called as relational operator. Not equal, this is also relational operator, but this is called as a, I think that this is a bitwise operator. This is called as a bitwise operator. So here the answer could be this one. Next question, the global variables are external. Okay, so global variables ఎప్పుడు కూడా external గా ఉంటాయి. Next, we can determine the size of a union with the help of the size of. సో యూనియన్లో ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం ఇచ్చారు, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మెంబర్ సైజెస్, బిగ్గెస్ట్ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనియన్, లాస్ట్ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనియన్, ఫస్ట్ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనియన్. ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనియన్. యూనియన్లో డేటా టైప్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నా కూడా, సపోజ్ ఇంట్ ఏ ఆఫ్ 5, క్యారెక్టర్ ఎస్ ఆఫ్ 20 యూనియన్లో ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, సో ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఓన్లీ మ్యాక్సిమం సైజ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ 5 into 20, this is 100, this is only a of, sorry, so union, okay, union student int roll number char name of 20 ఇట్లా ఉందనుకోండి, సో int will take 2 bytes, character will take this 1 byte, but 20 is there, 1 into 20, 20 bytes, 2 by 2 and 20, which is maximum 20. So the answer is the biggest member of a union. Next one, if integer needs 2 bytes of storage, the maximum value of signed integer is 2 power 15 minus 1. The answer is 2 power 15 minus 1. Last question, which is a not a storage class. Auto is a storage class, static is a storage class, external is a storage class, but typedef is a not a storage class. Okay, I hope this is clear for everyone. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.